player.
Yep.
Yung mga galing high school. But now they're starting their set with mga faces na kilala natin in the collegiate level. Kahit sinong attacker yung ilagay mo sa first six, nakasama man siya or sa second six, it just works out well.
Speaking of...
Well, this girl has luck on her hands here on this Sunday afternoon.
Speaking of hot hands, live there by UST. It's a chance ball for Letran. Gia Makilang. That play was brought to you by Kick, powered by Smart. Our way, our rules. Download the app now. No best. It's Gia Makilang. Cassie Carvalho will set it up to Kyla. Cross court, no go. Great save there. Saiza. And Saiza off that back row kill. Gia Makilang. Cassie Carvalho was there. Reverse set by Cassie. You played for the NU Lady Bulldogs before, and I would have to ask, what's really the importance of, scouting your...
Tas sasagutan mo lang, hindi mo alam kung ano yung sasagot mo.
So far, the Letran Lady Knights doing a good job scouting for them, given their experience as a finalist in the NCAA.
Well, yung sabi ko nga kanina, this is a test of mental toughness.
Great jump there. Flores to the middle. And that's...
Isipan natin nakita yung middle. So that was a good call.
Yes. And I like how you mentioned the ball distribution of Letran, because for UST...
to do the defense.
Gia Makilang, no go. Cassie Carvalho. Oh, great save there. Gia Makilang give up a free ball. Cassie Carvalho to Marga Altea. And that running attack.
Yes. May it be middle, open, opposite. And then every role that she gets to play, she's actually...
The absence of, already graduated players in Pia Abu.
Yes.
And of course, we're yet to see Bianca Pla.
And we gotta give credit here to Letran kasi hindi din madali-dali makapatay ng bola yung UST.
Easy serve. Oh, great setup play there by Cassie.
Hit by Balingit, and you could see her reach, extend yung kamay. She is giving the...
It's a chance ball. Cassie Carvalho. Combination play. No go for Julia Balingit, rather. That Pipito. Kyla Cordora. Reverse set.
That was a good set, Rhea. I really like how she's aiming for a flat ball on that one.
Cordora. No. This block is brought to you by Peri Peri Charcoal, Chicken, and Sauce Bar. Order now. Timeout muna UST. Let's listen in. Gia. Saiza. Kyla Cordora cross court. Still alive. But
Arena. Inside the court. And what you could do better.
Saiza Gula. Combination play. It's by Wahe to give that one up in the middle. Courtesy of Saiza Gula. UST. Letran.
Ganon sila ka-confident maglaro alongside their seniors.
And of course, for the rookies, this is actually Mother Leagues in the UAAP.
We have to see that hit right there. Saktong.
Rhea Angelina.
Thank you so much, Danny. You can really see.
Then Huino got the ball first. Or sorry, Penular for...
It's a great space behind the blockers. Wahe will go to Bron.
I like how she set up Bron there na in-expect ng Letran open hit.
That play was brought to you by Kick. Princess to Martin. But this block is brought to you by Peri Peri Charcoal, Chicken, and Sauce Bar. Order now.
And I think one of the game plays here of UST is to read Martin.
Wahe. Cross court. Martin. Wahe again. Martin off speed, no go. 1-2 play there. And Wahid. Martin, off speed. Wahe, 1-2 play!
Point lead
Yep.
by Letran. And now we're back again on a deadlock.
And I like the approach of Huino on that attack. Jelena up a free ball. Free ball for Letran. Martin, cross court, no go, says Huino.
Ang kunin na yung bola bago
Yes.
pa mapalo.
This block is brought to you by Peri Peri Charcoal Chicken and Sauce Bar or
Set.
Rasan. Princess. Wahe to the middle.
And I think narinig niya ako, Rayan.
Yes. Flavored fries. Order now. Benular from the middle. Great serve there. Princess Tumayaw reverse to Judiel. And Judiel Nietura powering through. Part of the set, you really need to secure the points. Lingit. And
It's just too strong. That was a good hit coming from Balingit.
Carballo to Balingit, no go. Panangin, blocked there by UST. Colendra reverse. Colendra, no go. Cassie Carballo was there. It's Arasan cross court. Colendra again. And just like that, bien.
Parts, it was Judel.
3 points apiece. Of course, for the leading scorers of the Golden Tigresses, we have Braun also 6 points. Balingit
Or he would extend it
Yes.
to a thriller 5 set
That's
again.
true.
On the end of UST, I don't think they want to be in that position.
But so far, that's Saiza Gula. And this spike is brought to you by Potato Corner, world's best flavored fries. Order now.
Her to actually show up nung first set na masobra pa. But now, she's actually doing a good job here on our third.
Players were not being proactive enough. He urged the team na patatagin ang kanilang depensa. Sabi nga niya, we will
Set.
Yeah. And of course, you know, coming into the second set, nakikita na ng mga players kung ano ang gagawin dapat nila.
Yep.
Her first year playing here in Shakey's as well in other tournaments. Makikita mo yung improvement when it comes to the blocking.
Lady Knights.
Good reverse set coming from
Yep.
Tumaya.
Her hot hands while she's at the front row. Chance ball for UST. Cassie Carballo to Marga Altea.
Causiveness comes from Marga Altea in the middle.
Also the commitment of Cassie Carballo.
Yeah.
Princess Tumayaw. Gia Makilang. No go. Unfortunately, Marga Altea was there. And 8-5 is our scores. Cassie reverse. Julia Balingit down the line.
Kasi kanina pa ini-expect ng Letran na ibibigay ito kay Gula or kay Coronado.
Julia Balingit. Flores to the open. Martin. No go, says May Coronado.
Kasi kanina pa nila binabantayan si Martin and they've read it. They've read how she played her later on na ng, ng second set.
May Coronado from C. The school play is brought to you by R&B Milk Tea. Order now. This is our second technical 3 so far. Cassie Carballo chooses Cordora. And Cordora B.
Na ginawa niya na yung sinabi ni Coach kanina. Hindi niya siya nagdalawang isip na kahit may blockers, inalo niya yung bola.
Yes, she's very cautious now. Gia Makilang and that Pepito was there. Saiza Gula, no go. Saiza Gula again down the line. Judel Nietura was there. Judel back row and scores. So Coach Shaq de los Santos no longer.
I think that just asked the right question during the timeout. Kung itataas pa ba ang set.
Now, great serve. Flores. To Colendra.
Level ng skills nila ngayon compared to last tournament.
Cassie Carballo, 1-2 play.
Carballo, given that her team kanina pa nila sinusubukan para makapuntos against Letran.
Or second deadlock, I would say here in set number 3. Cassie Carballo to Balingit. And Padilla and
No, kapit na kapit sa isa't isa. Given the intensity.
Another chance ball. Cassie Carballo chooses Kayla Cordora. And she scores.
Good try coming from the
Point. Flores chooses Colendra. That Pepito was there. May Coronado, no go. Judiel Netura. And UST secures set 23-25 points.
You also have to commend the middles of Letran since the first set they've been or kukunin mo yung bola.
That's true. Si Carvalho, combination play. Julia Balingit.
Now that's only be an A3, you know, coming from Cassie Carvalho, and that was good.
Targeting Colendra. Colendra again. And she's denied.
Ayan, na nila kanina pa si Colendra, and she keeps on scoring, but this time around, there's no way to go.
And just like you mentioned, not until may pito
Yeah.
ang ating referees.
Kasi
the ball is still
usually yun
playable.
yung
Yes,
nangyayari eh.
that's true. Saiza Gula there. Targeting that down the line. 8-7. Princess Tumayo serving. Saiza Gula. Cassie Carvalho chooses Saiza.
Hindi niya iniiwasan yung blockers niya eh. She just charges head on.
And that play was brought to you by Kick, powered by Smart. Our way, our rule. Great serve. Cassie Carvalho reverses. Princess Tumayo with that reverse. Judel scoring.
All this time,
This spike is brought to you by Potato Corner, world's best flavored fries. Order now.
kita mo, grabe yung laban ng Letran. Kasi since kanina, it's just been a 1-point difference from UST.
That's true. But fine. Chance ball for Letran.
Miss set yun coming
Gia
from
Makilang
UST.
denied.
Bantay yung right side eh. All the open hitters of Letran have been having a hard.
Great serve. Gia Makilang on that coverage. Judiel cross court scores.
Parang si Judel Netura eh. Kanina, medyo mabagal pa yung laro niya.
Gia Makilang down the line. Cassie Carvalho was there. Oh, too close. 1-2 play. And Letran Lady Knights. Cassie Carvalho running attacks. And that's Smart. This cool play is brought to you by R&B Milk Tea. Order now.
Kanina pa actually nila sinusunod.
Oh, what an ace by Marga Altea.
On delivering. And that was a good, I think.
Wahe to Saiza. Saiza, no go. Gia Makilang from the back. Wahe reverses. Tumayo reverses to Netura. That Pepito was there. Saiza Gula off speed. Tumayo to Martin. That Pepito with that easy over. Saiza Gula down the line and she scores.
Just in time. Have Saiza Gula. And kanina pa niya actually ginagawa yan.
Yeah,
But then,
Pepito. Tumayo to Martin. It's a chance ball. That Pepito again to Julia. Denied. That Pepito to Saiza and she scores.
statement